one of the most tense time for all the NEET aspirants as the registration process has been started. So in this video, we are going to share some of the most important things to be noted before entering the examination hall. So let's start it. Things to be noted. The examination center will be open 2 hours before the commencement of the test, and no candidate shall be allowed to enter the examination center after 1:30 p.m. Therefore, candidates must ensure that they leave the home well in advance, considering all the factors like traffic, location of the center, weather condition, etc. A seat with a roll number will be allowed to each candidate. Candidates must find out and occupy their allotted seat. If a candidate is found appearing in the examination from a seat or room other than the allotted one, the candidate will be cancelled. Therefore, candidates are required to take their seats immediately after the opening of exam hall. Now let's look at the important timings. The timing and duration of examination, it starts from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. in the duration of 3 hours. The last entry to the examination hall is 1:30 p.m. And the sitting on the seat in the examination hall will be starts from 1:15 onwards. Announcement of important instructions and checking of admit card by the invigilator will be started from 1:30 p.m. to 1:45 p.m. Distribution of test booklet by the invigilator will be started on 1:45 p.m. Writing of particulars on the test booklet by the candidate will be starts on 1:50 p.m. and the test commences on 2 p.m. and it concludes on 5 p.m. The candidates must show on demand the admit card for the admission in the examination hall. A candidate who does not possess a valid admit card shall not be allowed to enter the examination hall by the center. And the candidates come after 1:30 p.m. shall not be permitted to enter the center. Next is the things to be bring inside the examination hall. A printed copy of admit card downloaded from NTA website with a passport size photograph. One passport size photograph that was same as uploaded on the online application form for pasting on the specific space on the attendance sheet or at the center during NEET UG examination. One postcard size photograph with a white background should be pasted on the performer downloaded with the admit card. Any one of the authorized photo IDs that must be original and valid, like PAN card, driving license, voter ID, passport, Aadhaar card, ration card with a photograph issued by the government. And if the candidate is a person with a disability, they can bring a scribe if applicable. Candidates are not allowed to bring any barred items or any item which could be used for unfair practices. Possession of any such article with the candidates inside the center premise will attract the penalties of unfair practices. No candidate will leave his or her seat or the examination room or hall until the test conclude as per the schedule. Water bottle, tea, coffee, cold drinks or snacks etc. are not allowed to be taken by the candidates into the examination center. Candidates suffering from diabetes are allowed to carry all the food items like the tablets, fruits, or water bottles that should be prescribed by NTA. And one of the most important things to be noted is for those who are unable to appear on the scheduled date of test for any reason, retest shall not be held by the NTA under any circumstances. If the candidates are wearing a customary dress, they need to report at the allotted examination center by 12:30 p.m. on the day of examination. If the candidates are involved in any unwanted activities, he or she shall be debarred from taking the examination as per the rules and shall be liable for criminal actions. Now we can look at the important things regarding documents. We know we have to take two types of photograph, a passport size photograph and a postcard size photograph. The photographs must be taken on or after January 1, 2021, preferably indicating clearly the name of the candidate along with the date of taking the photograph. Spectacles are allowed only if being used regularly, and the candidates are advised to take about 6 to 8 passport size photograph and 4 to 6 postcard size photograph. If someone else's photograph was uploaded, the application will be cancelled and considered as an unfair means. For thumb impression, in case of any eventuality of left hand being unavailable, a right hand thumb impression may be used. So these are the important things regarding the NEET UG examination.